Well, depending on considering and the second from YouTube today, and it's a package that I got from the YouTube rights, and it makes it on the second time because I ran after two, and so I got sent this, and I sent it had the label so I could see alright. It has the box. I just see YouTube. And so it's like I thought things were fun, but I didn't like what was the happening and how the things had turned on. But the app, the tanks, got the extend got the tanks, and so it's can the tanks are that I had scanned a content from YouTube. This let's go action. It's kind, and you take YouTube content. Then thanks for point, but then this one is of a kind item and I expect to take them from the hardback and content. The rules to consider Robot and responsible, so it's the robot and breakdowns that enter and train. Don't not forget to tag at YouTube characters and YouTube corporate thanks so you can calculate out YouTube corporate. Oh. I think that's except that things, but this is like the shit, so. So I think it's like what is going like they got things and changes, influencing great 50 difference. So I got content and content sets. The terms are the crank, date, and winter and prepare. That's going is winter in being center. And that things and parents during IM. So during you can average of YouTube and parent. Alright, so I think that's the guides, the point. I'm just gonna put other stuff. It seems like I'm trying to think. Okay, let's try. So I got content. Exit rank. I looked at the control at the links like you can thanks like I program I rank you can understanding. Understanding. So I think the links I got it. So it does rank and the thing is like a trans that concerts, you can do like stuff, doing like that. So I can go. I can do that. So I can go and think. Just think too, since I guess up, I can go and something right, 25. Okay, I guess just gonna do it. I can't get to the ranks, okay, 2 ranks. I got ranks, okay, correct. That's kind of cool. Alright, so good. I can swag it. This box. I think I can say right. This. And let's go next. It's been like 2 weeks. So I've been going. I just go next. So going. Everyone. So I can't play. Because around I didn't want to go. Alright, so just gonna put the box. Okay. Okay. Now this thing goes on your stone. Okay. There you go. Put like the pen. Some YouTube things. Alright, I can present. So I got the digital. This is central rank. Currently take part if you haven't got the point, please do. And so go like against the category and blank so you look at extra components that should be free to return. Etc. If most events dedicated 11,000 programs, I'm probably gonna do it at Broca of the single bone, like program. You can see that, but actually the construction done. But that's it. And I said text to YouTube for sending this around to one. I think it's that train. And I put it to leave the anything extra. Before I do it, I will. So I can take time. you can use it anything, and you can like use like something like you can use like playwrights. But this, by far, like, that technically rank. Not technically rank, but I'm looking against something like direct points. But yeah, I think there's that. So thanks for saying this like points and the points program. So yeah, this is like a part of the YouTube techniques. So if you want a part rank, it rates, at the range, instead of support ranks, like the factor next ranks. I think there's like something like the step point, but like abstract the support ranks and factor ranks next ranks. So that's kind of like getting like 5 times like second points and that was like something like you rank 1 so that the rank you get like and it's something so that should good. But yeah, I can look at that scheduling and so like count and subscribe once again and send me in the scheduling. Thanks to the tank. Bye bye.